I have to share a secret with you. Here at IST UV Days, you always say that UV curing is not very warm, but bringing almost 1,000 people together in a small space, that is hot, I can tell you. Sebastian, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So, you work for Koenig Bauer.
Yes.
What is it you do there?
I'm doing, just saying, simple printing. Yeah. So I'm the head of the application engineering team, and I'm working in the customer center in Radebeul. So we have a lot of customers there doing print tests also with suppliers. And yeah, this is what I do mainly.
That's nice. As I said in the introduction, we are here at the IST UV Days, and I was just thinking that UV is not, or LED UV is not so new anymore. But in the beginning, it was a very slow start because ink was extremely expensive, and you had to have special configuration of the machine. Today, it seems that UV is almost the default. How do you see the ratio when people buy machines? Is it 50-50, or how is the ratio when you look at LED versus conventional ink?
It's still much more conventional inks right now. LED is quite stable, you could say, from the market share. It's at the moment not growing, and what you say, the ink costs are still high. Yeah. We have the problem in the European Union for the regulations of photoinitiators and so on, which makes it not easy also for the ink suppliers to get a cheaper price situation, and therefore you could say in the commercial world is still a stable situation. What we see right now is the beginning in the packaging business or in the label business, where you could also have a lot of benefits using LED. For example, printing on in-mold labels, where you do not affect with the heat to the substrate, and this is right now starting. We have to push the suppliers for ink and also the coating suppliers to get more variations out of it.
Yeah. So when you say that you said application, that you work with applications, right? Yeah. So is that like the finished application where you basically also showcase how the technology can be used on different substrates and different types of applications for packaging and things like that, or
Yeah, this is exactly what we are doing. So, and we see more and more diversification for different kind of, let's say, finishings. Yeah. So we see on the one side the packaging industry is driving a lot of innovative ideas. They want to have multiple finishing coatings, and on the other hand, we have to apply functionality coatings and so on. And therefore, we need more a diverse discussion what we need for the final product. So this is not anymore that we can answer with one solution which covers all questions. So we have to start a discussion, and we have to find the right solution and the best solution for each product.
And I mean, we have been in the Radebeul demo center many times. It's a fascinating place because you have, it's almost like a working printing factory, right? Because you have machines there, you have even the finishing and the glue lines and everything there. So how often do you get customers in to see things there?
You can say almost every day.
Almost every day.
Yeah, so we have a lot of presses right now. Sometimes we have more customers one day, so we have to share on the different presses. And it's really good to say that the customers coming back after the Corona situation. So we did a lot of video conferences in the past, video demos in the past, and this was a very good tool to make a bridge over this time and nobody can travel. But we are living from printing, so you want to have something in your hand.
And the smell.
And the smell, it doesn't matter if it's UV smell or other coating smell. The people love to come over there and to see the presses, and it looks amazing, it's for sure. But they also want to see what it comes out of the press, and this is what we are living for.
Yeah. One of the reasons why I was asking about LED UV is obviously since we are here at the IST UV Days. Of course, also when you saw the presentation from the CEO Tim, he spoke about the growth potential. I mean, the potential also from a Koenig Bauer perspective is that you can see that your presses and the business opportunities follow those trends that he was talking about.
Yes. We could also see same trend in the industry. For sure, the packaging customers are the drivers out of that. They want to have longer configuration, more complex configuration to do it mostly in one step. And this drives us really much. For the commercial printers, they have more challenges. That's also the truth we have to tell. And therefore we have to divide this different segments. Packaging is the driver, label business as well. This is really growing, inboard labels, for example. And we have also to care about our commercial printers.
And IST, is that a partner to Koenig Bauer, or you work with? I mean, why are you here? I mean, you're obviously here because you are invited to give a presentation, right?
Exactly. So we are still in one industry, and right now for the Koenig Bauer sheet fed, IST is not our partner for the UV dryers, but IST is the partner for our banknote solution company. So they still have also IST dryers in, because they have different applications. They do development together with ink suppliers, and therefore we are one family in the printing world, and so we know each other. And it's amazing to see here also the other companies and to visit the booths here.
So I expect you have time to go and visit a few of your suppliers and partners and friends from the industry, right?
Yes. I have seen some people here, I know, and I will visit the booth.
Maybe even some new things to see, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
Right?
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
Fantastic. Sebastian, great to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Morten.
Okay, thank you.